bathi ngibuze nje ukuthi uzizwa njani namhlanje ngokomkhulu lishutshini lelanga le-series yokuqala la kwaNdebele la eMpumalanga lishutshini kuwe eMpumalanga at large or i-district at large.
Wow, I'm so excited to see. I don't even want to live here.
Yes, it's one of
I'm
our
still
productions
here with
as
my
well.
people, with the crew, with the production, saying to Babutuma, thank you so much, you know, for always having that passion to promote language. And this time it was the Ndebele nation and the Ndebele language on the rise and on the pulpit. And where we are, we're very grateful that Mzansi Magic, the Rhythm World production, has also taken us into consideration as the Ndebele nation. Of course, we're here, we are leading the whole people, but in Nkangala in particular, majority of the population is the Ndebele speaking people. And I hope that this grateful event and gracious event will also augur well to the izingwenyama ezikhona kwaNdebele, ingwenyama ubaba uMakhosoke, ingwenyama uMabhoko. Sithi nje sonke siyathokoza namakhosi bewakhona. Everybody was here just to cherish this day, and we say viva and forward with our Ndebele language, forward, not going back. We want to see this series in particular hitting the ground, hitting the nation, hitting the global world, because Ndebele colors has been in the world, but the language now must be in the world, so that people know that these people who were like this are residing in Nkangala district. Viva to the tourism. Amanda.
Viva.